This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Team Platinum of Naples less than bedroom greater than Cynthia 12 and Brent Jensen. LELY Resort, lowest HOA fees, no club obligation. Located in private Lely Island Estates with western sunset exposure. Open floor plan, beautifully designed exquisite custom ceilings and custom moldings accent the entire home with 4,510 square, 4 bedrooms/4 full/2 half baths. As you step into the grand entrance, your visual is 12 ceilings, and expansive custom windows with panoramic lake views. First level accommodates complete family living with a chef's kitchen with light custom stained wood cabinetry, large eating area with a spacious craftsman bench seat. Large family room has a complete bar with seating highlighted with custom lighting and glass accents. The master retreat with a huge spa bathroom accented with designer granite and decorator tile. The second level has a grand inviting area, approximately 894 square of living area, to entertain with TV events, wet bar and a private bedroom suite and upscale bathroom. It has an additional half bath. Home is located in a private enclave in a community offering golf, 1 private course, 2 public courses, players club and spa available. No mandatory club obligations. For more information, review the details below or contact Team Platinum of Naples less than bedroom greater than Cynthia 12 and Brent Jensen at 239-784-9229.